Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do use a different math counting tool. Today you're going to use pattern blocks. And pattern blocks are little wooden blocks that come in all different shapes. And you should have some pattern blocks in your math toolkit. So go ahead and take those out. You'll notice that they come in different colors. So I have a yellow one and I have a blue one, green and orange, red and a tan. So pattern blocks come in different shapes, different sizes, different colors, and we can use those to help us count. So I'm going to take out my yellow ones, and I can see that I have two. I have two yellow hexagons. That's actually the name of this shape, but I have two of them. 1, 2. If you have some of those, you can count your yellow hexagons. I also have some little green triangles. They look like this. And in my math toolkit, I have 3 of those. So you can see, it's hard for me to show you, I guess. Maybe if I stand them up. But you can see I have 1, 2, 3. 3 little green triangles. So you can check your toolkit, see how many of those you have in your pattern blocks. I also have some orange squares. I can count my orange squares. Okay. You can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 orange squares in my pattern blocks. You can count your orange squares. And if you don't have any of a certain color or shape, that's okay. You just say 0. I don't have any. I also have some blue shapes like this. Okay. You can count those. Here you can see that I have 3. 1, 2, 3. So you could count your blue ones. And then I have some red trapezoids that look like this. I can use those to help me count. And I could stack them. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red trapezoids. Go ahead and see how many you have. And then the last shape that you should have in your pattern blocks are these little tan colored ones. Okay? And you can see I have 2. 1, 2. Okay, so pattern blocks are fun to build with, play with, but we can also use them to count. I'm going to do another counting book today. This one's called Warthogs in the Kitchen, a sloppy counting book. Oh dear. All right. One little chef thinks he'll cook today. Oh, this is kind of tricky to show you. One little chef thinks he'll cook today. 2 clean hooves, all the germs washed away. I want to help. I won't make a mess. Better find some measures. We can't just guess. 3 cake makers read the book to check how. 4 scoops of sugar should go in now. There's something in the bowl that shouldn't be there. Get out this instant, you greedy little bear. 5 scoops of butter. Beat and beat some more. 6 cracked eggs. How many on the floor? I found a jar of pickles. Should pickles go in too? Pickles in cupcakes? Well, perhaps just a few. 7 scoops of flour should make the mixture just right. 8 pink tongues lick lips at the sight. cupcake pans. Let's each have a turn. Pop them in the oven. Don't let them burn. 9 minutes cooking and our cakes will be ready. 10 cupcakes, the 2 tiny ones for Teddy. 0 cakes left. They're down in each tummy. We're excellent cooks. Those cupcakes were yummy. Maybe you boys and girls like to help count or help cook and count in the kitchen too. Maybe you could count how many pieces of toast you need for your family to have breakfast. You can count everything. Have a good day.